Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is cardinality and modality of a relationship. Cardinality of a relationship. The maximum number of instances of one entity that can be associated with each instance of second related entity is known as cardinality of the relationship. Cardinality can be one or many. The cardinality 1 indicates single instance of an entity. It is denoted by a small vertical line on the relationship line next to the first entity or before the second entity. The cardinality many indicates multiple instance of an entity. It is denoted by a crow's foot symbol. For example, a student may have many teachers. On the other hand, a teacher belongs to only one department. Modality of a relationship. Minimum number of times an instance in one entity can be associated with instance in the related entity is known as modality of relationship. Modality can be 0 or 1. If the minimum instance in one entity is 0 for an instance of another related entity, then the relationship is called optional. Optional relationship is denoted by a small circle on the relationship line after the cardinality symbol of the first entity or before the cardinality symbol of the second entity. If the minimum instance in one entity is 1 for an instance of another entity, then the relationship is known as mandatory. It is denoted by a small vertical line on the relationship line after the cardinality symbol of the first entity or before the cardinality symbol of second entity. Cardinality and modality are shown as at both ends of relationship lines. As in this figure, you can see cardinality is many and modality is 0. Cardinality is many and modality is 1. Cardinality is 1 and modality is also 1. Cardinality is 1 and modality is 0. Example of cardinality and modality. As in this figure, you can see we have two entities, student and seat, and the relationship between these entities is fills. Student fills seat. In this CR diagram, after student entity, the left vertical line represents the cardinality, while the right vertical line represents the modality of relationship. Similarly, before seat entity, the left vertical line represents modality, while right vertical line represents the cardinality of relationship. Cardinality. One student can fill a maximum of one seat. On the other hand, one seat can be filled by maximum of one student. Each side of relationship has cardinality of 1. Modality. A student must fill at least one seat. On the other hand, one seat must be filled by at least one student. The modality on each side is also 1. Cardinality and modality of relationship. We have second example in which we have two entities, teacher and course. Teacher teaches course. In this CR diagram, after teacher entity, the left vertical line represents cardinality, while the right vertical line represents the modality of relationship. Similarly, before course entity, the left vertical line represents the modality, while the crow's feet symbol represents the cardinality of relationship. Cardinality: one teacher can teach many courses. On the other hand, one course is taught by only one teacher. Cardinality is one to many. Modality: modality is one on both sides of relationship. One teacher must teach at least one course. On the other hand, one course must be taught by one teacher. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.